Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Asana to sync with Zendesk ticket workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Asana account. In a separate tab, log in to your Zendesk account. Ensure you have administrator permissions in both Asana and Zendesk for this integration. Open the Asana app. Navigate to the Apps section found in the sidebar. Click on Browse More Apps to explore available integrations. Search for Zendesk in the app directory. Select the Zendesk integration from the results. Click on the Install button to start the integration process. You will be prompted to log in to your Zendesk account. Enter your Zendesk credentials and authorize Asana. Once authorized, return to the Asana interface. Choose the specific project you want to link with Zendesk. Locate the Integrations option within the project settings. Select Zendesk to configure the integration settings. Decide which Zendesk ticket workflows you wish to sync. Map the relevant fields between Zendesk and Asana for accurate data transfer. Engage the toggle switches for any specific options you want to enable. Save your changes to complete the integration setup. Test the integration by creating a sample ticket in Zendesk. Verify that the ticket appears in your designated Asana project. Monitor the synchronization to ensure all updates flow smoothly between the platforms. Adjust settings as necessary for optimal workflow management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.